Hey, what up, you guys? I wanted to share with you what my friend Rose, her name used to be Love Cookie 86, but now she changed it to Beauty Boss Planner. So if you guys aren't familiar with her channel, she does Dollar Tree hauls, Target hauls, shop with me's, DIYs, planner videos, like a whole bunch of creative things, guys. So go check her out if you aren't familiar with her. But I'm pretty sure you guys already know who I'm talking about. She sent me some surprise mail because I wasn't informed that I was getting this. So yeah, if you hear background noise, guys, it's my son. He's playing, so, okay. So I'm going to slide everything out. I saw some of her project shares. So, okay, I see a card. Oh, look how beautiful this card is. Look at the birds. The floral. How pretty is that in the black background? That is pretty. Aww. Thank you so much, Rose. You're so cute. And I saw your Daiso video. I cannot wait, guys. They're opening up a Daiso here in New York. So I'm super excited. Super excited. Can't even speak. And we want to link up with a couple of other fellow New Yorkers, YouTubers / viewers, and we're gonna try to see if we could do like a little meetup and then go together and go to Daiso. Can't even say it. All right, you guys. So let's just see. Oh, I see. Oh, she sent me nails. I love nails. My nails are growing a little bit, so I'm gonna see, and I'll just paint them. But look how cute. They look like chains. Oh, how cute is that? Thank you, girly, for that. And then, oh, how adorable. Look at this tissue paper. So pretty. Girls Rule, bestie. How cute is that washi tape? Oh, I'll try to save it. How stinking cute. I saw her project shares on her channel. She was actually making loaded pockets with paper. So guys, go check out that video because she does like a little tutorial. Super cool. Look at this cute little coin purse. How adorable is that? Look how cute. That cute little mermaid. Why is it not focusing? Oh my god, look at her hair. You know when you go in the water and your hair is like all over the place? That's what it reminds me of. So cute. Thank you. Look how adorable is this, you guys. That is so cute. So she added these paper clips that she made. That is such a cool idea. I love those. Super cute. And this is a matchbox. I saw her do a tutorial on her channel covering it up and decorating it. And inside is candy. How cute. It's a great way also too to use up your scraps, because I'm pretty sure a lot of us have a whole bunch of scraps. So this is a great way. That is adorable. I'm going to buy some. Oh, if you hear my stomach growling, I'm so sorry. That's a great way to use up scraps. How cute. Oh, some tea. Traditional herbal tea. Roasted dandelion root. Naturally caffeine-free herbal tea. Guys, I don't know what it is, but I can't speak today. So, got those. Oh, these cute little stickers. The unicorn. And the diamond. Love myself. How cute. Like the envelope and the little hot air balloon. Super cute. Thank you. Oh, candy. Oh my god. Okay, wait. I got distracted with this, okay? Because I saw her making this, and then I saw her showing like her project shares. Guys, I was like, I want that lady with the birds. That's me. That's me with the birds. How adorable is that? And it's so funny because I have this bird here. That's a budgie. I have a budgie. And that's a macaw. I don't think I'll ever own one of those. I mean, I would love to, but But how beautiful. That would be me. Yes. I love it. Thank you, Rose. I am totally going to put this in either my planner or I have like 2 books that I started to read and then I didn't finish them. So maybe I'll just put this in the book and the little tool part will remind me to read it. Oh my god, how adorable. Okay, thank you so much. Let's go back to the candy. A bag of good mints. I love mints. Always good to have mints in your purse or in the car. And gum. But I'll tell you right now, my kids are going to steal that. So, thank you, girly. And, oh, I see something popped out. Okay. Oh, she made a little rosette. How cute. And then she added like something gold on the edges. That's cool. That's unique. I like that. Thank you, thank you. And guys, okay, I'm going to open this in a second. But look how cute. Look how perfect that is. How adorable is that? So she does show the tutorial. I'm going to see if I leave that link so you guys can check her out. And then I believe this is a notebook she made. So I'm going to open it up. Oh, yes. It's a notebook that she made. I've seen her. Yes. Look how cute. So creative, you guys. Right? I love it. I love that paper, too. I really like that paper. Thank you so much, girlie, for sending me this cute little surprise mail. I already have sent out yours, so you should be receiving a little something from me. I love this. Thank you for kind of like, I think you know I have birds and you personalized that for me. So thank you so much. I really love this bookmark. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. And guys, thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. If you aren't familiar with Rose's channel, go check her out. Her name is Beauty Boss Planner. The link will be down below. And I'll check you guys on my next video. Bye!